Hey, welcome to our Webflow versus Wix Harmony video. In this video, I'm going to give a prompt to Wix Harmony website builder using Claude and also Webflow AI website builder using Claude. So I have already prepared my prompt here in Claude, which you can see I gave it a description and asked it to generate me a perfect one page portfolio website for my WordPress development services. I'm not a WordPress developer, but I'm just gave it a description, right, to build me. So it generated this for me. So I'm going to copy this and going to use this in Wix Harmony and Webflow AI website builder. So let's start with by copying the prompt and let's go to Wix Harmony first. Here I want to just give it copy paste this prompt. Okay, let's just remove something from here, right? So this is my prompt. I just want to delete few things here. Okay, so I'll just hit on generate my website here, and we will wait for it to create a site for us. Meanwhile, we'll go to Webflow AI website builder. So if you don't see this Webflow AI website builder when you create a new site, just go to your workspace settings, and then from there you can enable inside a general tab. You can enable AI website builder, right? So I'll click on that AI site builder and let's see what Webflow asks us. Okay, so I think today only I received this notification that Webflow has updated these some features for this AI website builder. Okay, so I already have this. So let's just give it a prompt that we have and ask it to build a site for us. Okay, meanwhile, let's go to Wix Harmony and see what they build for us. Okay, so the Webflow, the way they did is they created this structure for us, just like Relium, right? Just like a sitemap or the low fidelity structure for us. Let's go with this and just hit because we want to generate a website, and I think this is good. They are asking us, and here we can see what sections we need and don't, right? Metrics, logo, testimony. I think this is common. I just ask it to build a site. Let's see. Let's go with this and let it build the site for us. I think the theme section is more like Wix Studio or Wix platform, right? So here, just let's wait for a moment. So as you can see here, uh, in Wix Studio or Wix Harmony, this platform, you see the requirements you gave, it clearly understood your requirements, and here the area, right, which is the AI website builder of this Wix Harmony, which is going to build the site. See, it's planning our website right now, and this domain is available for us if you want to buy, but it's fine for now. Let's wait for Webflow, which one works faster. So I think Webflow is almost done, I guess, but meanwhile, let's check this, give it some time. So here Webflow has finally built a page for us, right? Click on a page to customize the site's theme, edit, swap, and add section to page. Continue building. I think it's fine. Let's see. Continue building. Continue building. I don't know what. Okay. Okay. So I have a website here. Let's look at the colors, themes. I think it's using the default Webflow's blue color theme here. Here are my. So I'm just going to show you what exactly I prompted it, right, in my Claude. So I had clearly asked for the gradient color, as you can see here. So now our Wix site is also done. So as you can see, secondary gradient, primary gradient. So I have asked it for a gradient color, and let's see in Webflow. I don't see any gradient color here, right, which I have asked for. And look at the statistics section. This is good to start, but let's look at the Wix Harmony. So here we have our Wix Harmony homepage. So it's doing its magic here. I like these animations, the way it's coming up with the buttons and the text. Let's not leave this tab as they are warning us here, right? Let's wait for it to be finished. Hi. So finally, I think around it's been a 10 minutes now, I guess, right? So now I think our site is ready. As you can see here, our site is almost ready in Wix Harmony. So in terms of this development, Wix Harmony is slower, or I don't know, but it takes time to build a site, and as compared to Webflow. But let's go and also review this week's harmony here and see which is the best version we are getting here. So this is a website builder, and you still need humans to build a perfect site for you, as you can see from here, right? This let's compare Webflow's hero section version and Wix Harmony Zero section version. So as you can see here, here's in Wix Harmony we have image and two buttons. Here we have two buttons as well, but the size of the buttons are perfect, I would say, compared to Wix Harmony. As you can see here, the buttons are not very responsive. You have to adjust yourself, right? Whether it's height wise or the width wise, right? It's up to you. You have to update them yourself, right? So both the platforms, I guess, they have not built a perfect gradient. Like, no, none of these platforms have used any gradient colors here, but I'm not sure about these are images, so we can't call it a gradient here. This gallery section, let's look at this expertise section. I like this Webflow AI website builder. They are using three images here compared to Wix Harmony. I like that. Here we have a logo section clearly mentioned, but here we don't see any logo section. But if you go to our here in this section, it does say that logo section is there and all, right? But in that Wix Harmony, oh, okay, wait. I think it's my bad. I think we have services. Like, we don't have any logo section here, right? So it was generated by Webflow, right? Not we have not commanded it to or prompted it to build us that logo section, right? So here we have this services in that terms. I think Wix Harmony is good, right? So it will tell you whatever you will ask it to, but not gradient one. They are not using any gradient color here. So I think let's look at the project gallery section. I think I like these static, and it does look like modern compared to this one, right? This look very old standard gallery section as we see on lots of websites. And what is this section? I think statistics section. Let's go and see how Webflow statistics is good, but why is it like this? The icon, and why is it scattered here? I don't know, but here let's go and look at it. I think this looks much better. Statistics one, 8 years of experience, 150 plus projects. I think that's much better, but I don't know what's the concept behind these, why they have these kind of small compared to these ones. I think it's good. In the expertise, they are telling us, okay, I can do WordPress, PHP, React.js, Tailwind. That's good, right? It makes sense to our who is visiting our website. And then we have the review section, and then we again here uh, feature projects again. I don't know why. Review section, Webflow's review section, and Wix, both are okay, right? The common one we see on every other websites, so that's fine. Webflow ones looks very simple, where this looks much better than Webflow created. Also, I have asked to build a dark based theme, right? Here Webflow has used, but they are using these sections white and gray. Here you see complete dark based website. So here I'm going to so here I have clearly mentioned a dark theme with deep charcoal black one, right? So that we already prompted to it. So in terms of that, Wix Harmony understands your requirements clearly. But in some things, right, that they are not doing really good. But here they have the FAQ. I think we don't need FAQ here. We don't even have FAQ. So I think I don't like these. you can remove and add them while that wireframe you see, or sitemap you see when they were creating the project, right? But I like the form here for lead generation. That's good. They don't have a form here, but we can create one. So I think this is the form. Yeah, see, this is the form of Wix Harmony, so it's fine. I think both are doing good. Let's look at the footer. Footer is very simple, to the point, and that this footer looks much better than the Wix Harmony one, right? Okay, now let's talk about the responsiveness of this. We will only compare one section, the hero section here, and see how good it is in terms of responsiveness. So let's go, and let's go directly to mobile. I think this one is perfect, no issues here. And what about this? Let's see. Uh, just give it a moment. Oh my god, this looks much better. Both are looking good, but this looks much better than Webflows. I think due to this blue color, I'm not liking the Webflow version at the moment. But this placements of buttons is not perfect. But if you look at on the desktop, we have the colored button on the left hand side and the outline button on the right hand side. But here you see the perfect responsiveness, right? So there are some ups and downs, some pros and cons of using Wix Harmony versus Webflow AI website builder. So here, let's say if I want to change my theme, how can I do that? Can I change it from here, from theme? Okay, I can click on the theme. I can choose a different theme. I can set this one. How can I do that? Let's say if I go to colors, I can just change these to whatever I like. Let's go with this theme, and let's see how it looks. I think this theme is good. And what about this? If I want to change my theme, how can I do that? So let's click on this add and give it a moment. See, this is the issue with Wix products, right? It takes time, not not faster like Webflow product, right? So here we have these headings, buttons, styles, everything. We can just drag and drop and start using it. Otherwise, you can just go here and change uh, your buttons, new styles of your buttons. So this is the issue with Wix platforms and its products, right? It hangs a lot sometimes. Here you have a button. I have this button. I don't want the button at the moment. You can upload your custom fonts here. That's good. What else we have here? So the site looks good, but it's not ready for for launch, right? So they just say just build your website faster. You can build faster, but there is a work also behind it, right? So it's not perfectly done. So here I like this mega menu. Wow, right? This style, as you can see, this you need to work on, right? So when it's not ready for launch, but I like the style of this Webflow, and also this one here. You can change all these things, generate image, generate element. It's up to you, whatever you want to generate. So many things you can do here. So if you want to learn more about Wix Harmony, you can go and check out my Wix Harmony tutorial on this channel. But for both, there are some pros and cons. I love both platforms at the moment, but more I would prefer these Wix because I don't need to rely on uh, these CSS, HTML concepts, right? If I'm a business owner and I just want a website to go live within 2 days or 3 days, right, by my own, and if I don't know anything about web design, right, then you can go with these. Here you must have a little bit of knowledge. You can't use these themes, right? But if you can change colors of your themes here, then it would be good. You have the dark and light theme. Both themes you can use. They are pre-generated by Webflow. So both platforms are good. You can use any of those platforms. Webflow, if you can, let's say The pricing depends based on your country where you are from, right? Webflow mostly is same for all over the world, but Wix depends, right? In India it's in rupees, in US dollars the different, I think in UK it's in pound, right? So they have different pricings for each countries. But here in Webflow, it depends on you which one you want to choose here, right? So thanks for watching this video. I hope you got the idea which platform you can use, which AI website builder you can use for your upcoming website or your next website for your business. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.